Hi everyone. Probably you have seen the hype about ClawdBot or MoltBot. This is not like ChatGPT. ChatGPT works in your browser. It waits for you to write something and then it generates the answer. But this new bot is totally different. It works as a digital AI employee. It lives on your computer, it can open files, it can read your emails, it can send emails, it can send WhatsApp messages, and it's running like 24 by 7. It can do code, it can run your terminal. It sounds amazing for business, but today I'm going to give you a warning. Don't install it on your main computer. What's the danger there? So whenever, for example, you hire an intern, you will not give him your account details. You will not give him your credit card, debit card, or bank account, or you will not leave your computer unattended so he can use it. You will create a new email for it. You will create a complete onboarding process or a complete environment, a separate environment where that intern can do his experiments. And once he do his experiments, then he will get its dedicated system. Similarly, installing the MailBot or ClawdBot on your main computer could be very risky. It can delete all of your data. It can delete all of your files. How? Because it has access to your terminal. One wrong command and everything is deleted. It can be tricked. Hackers can send some hidden data, for example, it can connect with your WhatsApp. Hacker can send some data to your WhatsApp or email and some hidden data. With some hidden data, it can request some files that are private files. We call it like prompt injection or SQL injection. That can be done here. If this happen on a cheap server, a $5, $10 server, that's not a big loss. But if it happens on your main computer, that's a disaster. You will lose like all of your data. Anything can happen. So the solution is installing it on a separate system, on a dedicated environment. Just like when we hire an intern, we give him a dedicated environment, a dedicated email, a dedicated number, and dedicated folders and emails to work with, right? Similarly, we should install it on a dedicated separate environment. Now, many people are buying mini Mac for this. That's $600 cost for just an experiment. What I recommend is running it on a Cloud VPS. It is just like a computer hosted on cloud and you are paying a rent to use it. It's running 24 by 7. It's not on your internet. And most importantly, it is isolated. If the AI make a big mistake or delete everything, it only delete that $5 server. Your actual work, your actual laptop and everything will stay safe. You don't need to be very technical to set this thing up. There are many websites that take a lot of technical setup, but I use Hostinger because Hostinger has made it super easy to start and super easy to maintain. You can find the link in the description. You can choose like KVM2 plan. It gives you 4 GB of RAM, which is perfect for this bot. If you use the link in the description, everything is already selected. Just go to the link and you will be on their page. Let me just show you. When you go to the link, you will find something like this. If you are going to set up something very important, you can also turn on daily auto backup, but that is, we can just leave it for now and then just click on continue and you can buy the plan. Business is about managing risk. Don't risk your main computer for a new tool. Isolate it, test it and let it work for you safely. Click on continue, buy it and click on the top right corner. In the next video, in just 5 minutes, we will set this up using Hostinger without going to terminal. We will set up everything. So let's meet in the next video.